Hello, it's Thursday the 11th. I'm FxPlew, and guess who forgot to charge the air wheel last night? This guy. So we're on foot for the market brief. Now, the Labour Party may have a problem. Since the economy bottomed out, slipping into a technical recession in Q4, things have started to improve. There has been no economic miracle, but where the turning of the economic cycle happened under Sunak and Hunt, they will naturally try and take credit for it. So voters will need to ask, what's likely to change under Labour? Do they have policies to accelerate the economy from the current snail's pace? And if so, how will they fund them? Where Labour have been so critical of the Tory taxation regime, it rather prevents them from raising tax to ease their own funding issues. Meanwhile, the IMF has been on. They have warned that risks remain around refinancing fixed mortgage deals. The higher costs for many borrowers who are still on those sweet low fixed deals could hit consumption. That would slow down demand. And we don't need that just when the economy is starting to see some traction, do we? Over in the US, we had the latest Fed minutes out yesterday. Broadly, they echoed the concerns that we have heard from several Fed members since the last Fed meeting. Concerns that inflation is not falling as fast as they had hoped, and the prospect for 3 or 4 rate cuts this year has now been put in doubt. So, no real surprises then. Don't forget, at the turn of the year, expectation was for the Fed to cut first, perhaps even as early as March. But data-driven decisions have seen that forecast pushed back to September. And then, yesterday's inflation data for March rose to 3.5%, up from 3.2%. That residual inflation really is looking a wee bit sticky now, isn't it? The dollar index rallied to a high of 105.30, which is the highest since November. That's as the market digested the prospect that a rate cut may be pushed back further from September. On the other side of the dollar rally, sterling fell to a low of 125.20 against the dollar yesterday. We kick off this morning from about 125.40 against the dollar. We're 116.75 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 107.35 on the open. Have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.